make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Natasha. Welcome back to Natasha Styles. I do hope that you are doing well. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Zara unboxing. I'm going to show you the items I pick up in this Zara haul. I know it's been a moment, but nevertheless, let's just get into today's video right now. This is the box that the items came in. I haven't opened it yet, so I thought I'll open it and do it too and show you what I got. The first item that I picked up, it is this puffer. On the website it says a caramel color, but to me it looks like a light green faded. It's puffer puffy and it feels like it's gonna keep you warm, which I wanted. It's got a zip, which is good. It feels like really good just because of the way that the quality feels. I would say that it's TRF heat PW, so extra warmed for extreme weather conditions. So this is perfect because sometimes when I go to gym early in the morning, and I just know that this is going to keep me really warm. And I'll just insert the clip so you can see how it looks on. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It feels like it's gonna keep you really warm. I just wish that it had a little bit of fur, because just me being a little bit picky. You probably can hear it, it's noisy. But that's okay. I just want to be warm. I don't want to be cold. Yeah, I think the size is a good size. Okay, right, so I'm in the pockets. That was a fight to get on, but it's got like a fleece lining on the inside of the pocket, so at least your hands can be nice and toasty. But I do like that it keeps me warm, which I want. And I say I got this for the gym and it's a size large. Didn't get this in a sale and it's worth £36. My blazer is from Zara. I got this in a size medium. I got this on sale as well. And the bodysuit, this wasn't on sale, but I love the bodysuit. Look at it. Oh, it's so nice. I just like the way that it looks against the blue. I was gonna wear like a black blazer and I just thought black, too much black, especially it's already like dark and gloomy, so I think the blue just added a unique touch to it. I didn't put any accessories on because I picked this up when I went into the Zara store, and it's just like since it's got like a little sparkle, and this one is very plain, and I'm gonna put them on now so you can see how they look on. This was £15. I really hope it's two separate necklaces. Oh yeah, it is. It's two separate necklaces. So sure you can see. Can you see it? Yeah. And there we go. This is the two of them on. I thought that because look at my earrings. My earrings like the same. It's got a bit of bling, a bit of sparkle to it. So I thought that would be. And because the festive season is coming up, I thought that these two would be quite nice to add to my other accessories that I have in my wardrobe. I bought a jumper from Zara, I think it was 2 years ago. This is quite massive. This is a size small. The actual price, it says that this is £30, but I got this for £19.99, and oh, the length is good. It's quite, it feels really soft. As you can see, it's got like stripes, and it's cream and black, which is quite nice. You can wear it with like black leggings, or if you want it as a great layering piece, but I like that the neck is, it would be good when you wear it under to keep you warm when you're going out. I'm quite happy with this because I wasn't sure if the small would have fit me, but yeah, this is definitely a big small. Look how wide that is. I'm very happy with this, and this was only £20. So because normally when they buy like jumpers from Zara, they're much more expensive, but this one feels really soft. So let me see how it feels when you put it on. Oh yeah, this is good. This feels really good on days when you just sat at home and just want something to be really cozy. Oh, this is really good. can wear this like with a pair of leggings, or you can wear it out. You know, this would be a really good layering piece to wear. I can't do ZARA haul without doing, oh, this is good as well. Another soft, oh, this one is very stretchy. Look at that, that's got a lot of stretch to it. And I picked this up in a size medium. When I picked this up in a sale, it was £14, but the original price is £23. I like the high neck, just because I just want to be warm. The only thing I love about the coat is that I can wear really lovely coats and look amazing in it. Or I can wear my makeup and it doesn't run, but beside that, I don't like the cold. I am so much a hot weather person. But yeah, but this is long. It's cute though. You can see the dress. It doesn't have any sleeve. The armpits are very wide. The material is a very stretchy, and it's a mid-length dress because I love mid-length. I enjoy wearing mid-length pieces, and this one definitely would do. Just I can wear it during the winter months, and this one is like a great layering piece. And I've got items I can style this with. And with this ZARA haul, I picked up a lot of tops because these are like, I think like the skirts that they have, like ZARA, they're so tiny. Like me, they won't fit me properly. So I pick up tops that I can wear. I picked this one up in a size large. And somehow I feel like if it's going to be too big, as you can see, it does have a bit of pattern on it. Can you see that, like the pattern? It does have a bit of pattern on it. Oh, I like this. I like the feel of it. It's very soft. I don't know the stretchy piece. I wish I had sized down again. And this was a large. But you know something, when you wash stuff, they tend to shrink. So I think that's why I've gone for the large. But I'm going to try this on over my top so you can see how it looks. I'm going to insert the clip because I don't know. Normally if I do wear a cardigan, I don't button it up. So let's undo it. Okay. I would wear the lace up, or maybe I would because it looks nice with the lace as well. But this is an unbuttoned. I think I prefer it this way. The sleeve is very long. I like the softness of it, and I love that it's this one's stretchy. And so this is a cable knit cardigan, and this was for £17.99. To be honest, I like it, but it's not something that I say, oh, I love it. I'm not sure about this piece. I'm not sure. So this is a hot this is a satin halter slip dress. I've tried this on in the store, and when I say I love the way that it fit, and I thought that this could be a really lovely piece, just so you can wear if you got like a Christmas office party dinner coming up, because you're gonna wear like an like something over it, so you're gonna wear like a little blazer or something. So I thought that you can still wear this, and I got this in a size medium. This wasn't on sale. I was a bit gutted that it wasn't on sale. This was £46, but I love the red color, and I love the way that it fit. And when I tried on the store and the way that it fit me, I was just like, this is definitely something, a keeper. And I think that what I can do with this afterwards is I can turn it into a skirt, because sometimes I buy ZARA stuff, and if I don't like the way that it looks as a dress, I'll turn it into a skirt, and then I've got 2 for 1. But it's halter. I mean, do I think it's worth $45? No, but I love the way that it looks on me, so I'm just gonna go with that. But look at the clip. I'm gonna insert the clip, and the red is absolutely stunning. Put it on this side. You can see that it's long, halter, and this is the way that the back, this is the back of it. You can still wear a bra, you just have to make sure to adjust it. But yeah, I really like this piece. I just thought that if I don't wear it for like a Christmas party or something, I can wear it Christmas Day as my Christmas outfit, because I get dressed up. I don't know about you, but I do get dressed up on Christmas Day. I picked up this faux leather high-rise leggings, and I picked this up in a large, and somehow I feel like it was not going to fit me. I should have gotten the extra large, because when it comes to ZARA, like their bottoms, when it comes to ZARA trousers, they're weird, like, and this one I just have a feeling that even though it has a bit of stretch to it, it's not gonna fit me. This was £16 in the Black Friday sale. Normally it's 23 pounds. 20. Well, it says 23 and then you're gonna label 26. So which one is it? Is it 23 or 26? Around that mark. I don't think it's gonna fit. So on the waist, it's got elastic on it, and it's got like this black soft line on it. On the hem, you can see it's seamless, and it has a zip for it to get in, which is quite nice, but it just can't fit me because my glutes have been growing, I must admit. Even though I've been hitting the gym, it just seemed like if that part is growing, and my arms are getting quite defined, so I'm quite happy with that. But yeah, so that was this item that I picked up from Zara. I think if you're going to get, you might have to size up because this is a large and XL probably would have fit me, but oh well. And that was the last item that I picked up from Zara, from the ZARA haul. So I picked up this coat from H&M. I picked up in store. So it's brown in color and it has like a light aspect of it in between. It's double breasted and the pockets are functional, but I already removed them. I've worn this coat so many times. I love the feel of it. It is really, really thick. Sometimes I go to Zara and I'll try on Zara coats and they're overpriced, and sometimes the quality just feels really cheap. But H&M, you can always go to H&M. A lot of the coats that I have gotten are from H&M. So yeah, I'm very happy with this, and I got in the US 12, which is like a UK size 14. I went up really big just because I wanted to wear other items and I wanted it to fit more oversized. But when I tell you that this coat feels really good, when I say that this coat fits fantastic on, it fits fantastic, it looks amazing. The only thing I wanted, like the front of it, just to have a little bit more like fabric, but it works. It works for me. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. And it's got buttons as well, and you can see it's very, very oversized, but that's why I wanted something oversized, because on days when I just don't want to wear a coat that's like make me feel like, and on days where I just can't be bothered, I just want something to just pull on or throw on easy, this coat definitely does. So the coat was £55. You can get in the black and you can also get in like a cream color as well, but I've already got a cream coat from H&M. I've already got a black coat from H&M, so then might as well just add the brown one to my wardrobe. And it's calf length, and this H&M coat, I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. It looks fabulous with my outfits. I'll probably insert some pictures that I took when I went to Westfield in London. It looks amazing and it keeps me warm, and this winter it's definitely going to be a cold one, and I want an item that's going to keep me warm. And I picked up this full leather skirt from ASOS. I've already worn it. I didn't want a black because I know like winter you tend to wear a lot of black items, but I didn't want a black one. I wanted a green. I think the green is a nice touch, like the cream, just to add a bit of lightness to the outfit. But when I say that this skirt, I got this in, normally when I buy a skirt I bought this in a tall, because I am not short, my height is average, and I normally would get like jeans. Sometimes I get in the tall, because if I get them in the regular size they end up looking too short on me. Is that weird? And I'm only 5'6". So yeah, I got this skirt. It's got a pocket in the front, zip, it's long, and oh, I forgot to mention it also has like a slit in the front, and it's got like this soft feel to it when you put it on. But I got this in a size 12. I got this from off of ASOS, and it's long. When I say long, it's long, which that's what I wanted. I wanted a long full leather skirt that I can wear during this winter period, and this one from ASOS I'm very, very happy with it. This forest green skirt from ASOS, this was £38. I think this is like one of the perfect colors to wear this autumn, with your green, your white, your red. You can pair this with so many different colors, I think, except yellow. You can't pair with it, or maybe you can work with it. I think that this color is such a lovely color to wear, and I'm happy with this piece. I think with this ZARA haul and the items that I've talked about, I'm very pleased with it. Don't forget to give this video a like. Make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below, and also smash the notification bell so whenever I post a video you won't miss anything. And comment down below which item was your favorite. For me, the red dress is definitely a favorite of mine. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Do take care. Bye.
Make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the mood.